who's here. This is this cool looking buddy. What kind of dog are you? Puppy. Come here. You scared, honey? Yes. Oh, don't blame you. Oh, your neighbor's making all kinds of noise. It's okay. You're trying to videotape your neighbor. It's gonna be your turn next, okay? Good boy. Look at how beautiful you are. So pretty. See? You look so beautiful when you smile, honey bunny. Aww. What is he doing over there, huh? He's being a weirdo. Come here. Can you come up here so that I can say hi to you? Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. No. He's gonna keep his distance. He's being safe. Alright, I gotta go. Bye, baby. Bye, sweetheart. Good boy.